Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I'm Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. Right now you are in my bedroom with me because it is time to organize. I'm going to get my drawers organized from my desk, and also I am going to organize my dresser. There's a whole bunch of clothes in there that have been there since 1952 and they need to go. We're also going to do some organizing in my bathroom. I am going to organize my drawers that are in there. I have like 3 drawers, and so I have like a lot of hair products and different things like that need organized. Also underneath my cabinet, it's a hot mess. I think every drawer and every cabinet in my home is a hot mess. But I will not be organizing my closet. If you've been here for a while, you know I avoid that. You guys, organizing is not fun, okay? I dread it. So yeah, you'll have to let me know below in the comments what area you avoid in your home. I think we all have one, right? It's 55 degrees here in Ohio in January, so I opened the windows. Let's get some fresh air going on. Anyway, on my channel, I create all things home management. So that's like cooking, cleaning, doing DIY projects, painting, because I paint a lot. I also like to change things around a lot, and I am a very minimal decor person. So if you like that type of content, please do not forget to hit subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We're called the Keep Up Crew. Also, please hit the like button on your way out, as it really does help my channel. And then I'm gonna take y'all to work with me, okay? I have one building to do today, so I'll take you along so that you can see exactly what it is that I do there, how I get it done, what motivates me to get it done, and honestly, it's kind of therapeutic for me, so hopefully you will enjoy that as well.
I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it.
Much better looking than what it was. I finally decided to take the leap of faith and not use toothbrush holders anymore, right? Like, they hold so much bacteria and they get really, really moldy. Let me know in the comments below how you store your toothbrushes.
You and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself.
I must say it's been a long time since I actually took everything out of these storage holders and cleaned them out. I believe the last time I did it was in an All Things YouTube collaboration video, and that would have been like the beginning of this year, maybe middle. At any rate, they needed it so bad. They were just cloudy, dirty, dusty, and just gross. I'm glad I took the opportunity to get it done.
I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. Wish my mind and I could free ourselves from agony.
Nice and hairy. How's everyone doing today? Let me know below in the comments. What are you guys working on? What are you doing? What you cooking? Because you know your girl likes to eat. Let me know. I must say that I'm in a really, really busy season of my life, and I have not been this busy in years, okay? Because you guys know my story. You know I've been recovering. If you have not been here before, I did have the big C. Not sure if we can say that on YouTube or not. And I ended up having a mini TIA stroke on my brain, learning how to walk properly again, all that great stuff. So now I'm getting back into the world and doing things, and it's scary and it's like busy, and I don't really like it. I just want to like fall back and relax. Can anyone relate?
I think I'm losing it bad.
Oh, look at my organization skills, y'all. Y'all know that I'm not the best at organizing because it's just too time consuming and I just don't really like to do it. Anyway, this is great because you can actually see the words of what exactly these are.
You look so good in my sweater. Winter's my favorite weather, 'cause it brings you close, and I need you close. Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better.
This desk over here, it's all bad. I have been studying for something. Yeah, so I really need to get that organized.
love you close, and I need you close, I need you close, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah.
At this point in my decluttering stage, I'm looking at these clothes like, girl, what are you holding on to this stuff for? They are a hot mess express. They got holes in them. They got stains on them, mostly paint, because y'all know your girl likes to paint. But like, am I the only person that does that? Leave a comment down below.
Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. No. Na 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 na.
I'm at home in my loungewear and I'm hot, okay? Your girl's over 40 and you know, you just be hot, right? So anyway, I did not put a t-shirt on underneath this, so I apologize for my back being out. I just know that that's not appropriate and I apologize.
Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
Everything is nice and organized now, so I'm going to go ahead and get my bed made up. I do change my sheets once a week. I'm not sure how often you change yours, but there's nothing like getting in a bed with clean sheets that smell amazing. To me, it's like no different than cleaning your bathroom and using a clean toilet, using a clean shower. Sounds so crazy, I know, but it makes me feel good. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bed made up, and then I'm going to take you to work with me.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends.
Bed is made. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be. I don't care. It's made. That's all that matters. So when you wake up in the morning, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it up. It helps you set the precedence of your day. So I got to get these clothes thrown away because they are not in a position for me to donate them. And this is the trash that I got from when I decluttered in my bathroom. So it's 2 full bags of trash. Okay, just in case you haven't sewn before, let me show you how to put the needle and thread together, or whatever the terminology is, okay? Let's see how long this takes. Ooh, I got it on the first try. So, typically I don't, because my fingers are fat.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away.
I know a lot of you enjoyed seeing the commercial cleaning clips from my last video, so I thought I would add them in here. Besides, earlier I mentioned I had been really busy, so right now I am doing several buildings. This building is by far the easiest. It only takes me 2 hours, and it's not normally bad. I will say the motivation that I get when I do the commercial cleanings is, especially when they're bad, just the overall transformation is amazing. Be sure to follow me on Instagram so that you can see my stories of like different buildings that are just gross. The transformation's crazy. Obviously, I'm not going to show that or this, but I will say that you are supposed to clean these off. So I've already sprayed them down with disinfectant and allowed it to sit. And then you just clean it off really quickly. It's a bathroom, so you want to be very thorough with it.
So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love
One thing that I will suggest for you is when you go to a public restroom and the toilet paper is already started, because typically cleaners are supposed to do that, make sure you take it off, some off first, and throw it away before you actually use it, because we use gloves and everybody's gloves are not clean. I switch my gloves out constantly, but everyone doesn't do that. I really appreciate all of you being here today. I just am so honored that you guys follow my channel, and your amazing comments really make my day. So thank you. In case you have not been told today, you are worthy, you are amazing, you are loved, and you are enough. And guess what? Word is bond, okay? And I really do mean that. Be sure to say those affirmations and love on yourself. Give yourself some grace, okay? Take your time, rest, drink lots of water, and just know that you are really an amazing person. We have a choice every single day when we wake up in the morning. We can either choose to be kind to everyone, or we can be mean, nasty, and evil, and that will definitely not get us anywhere in life. What you put out in this world, you definitely receive that back. Please do not forget to hit subscribe and the like button. I release videos every single Thursday. During the holidays, I was doing 2 per week, but I didn't really see a change in my channel. So since I have a lot going on, I decided to cut back. But I really appreciate you being here. Bye, guys.